Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use long division on polynomials. First, arrange both the dividend and the divisor in descending order of their exponents. If any power is missing, use a zero coefficient as a placeholder. This setup is crucial for aligning terms correctly throughout the division process. Think of it like setting up a traditional long division problem, but with variables and exponents. Now, focus on the very first term of your dividend and the very first term of your divisor. Divide the dividend's leading term by the divisor's leading term. Write this result as the first term of your quotient above the division bar. Next, multiply this new quotient term by the entire divisor polynomial. Place this product directly underneath the dividend, carefully aligning terms with the same power. The next critical step is subtraction. Change the sign of each term in the product you just wrote down, then add it to the corresponding terms in the dividend above. This is where many people make a small error, so be extra careful with those signs. After combining, bring down the very next term from the original dividend. This new polynomial becomes your updated dividend for the next round of division. You will now repeat these three steps: divide, multiply, and subtract. Continue this cycle until the degree or highest exponent of your remaining polynomial is less than the degree of your original divisor. Once that condition is met, you have found your remainder. Your final answer will be expressed as the quotient you built, plus the remainder written over the original divisor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.